Hi, also welcome to the tutorial. If you remember correctly in our previous tutorial when we tried our Niagara particle system, the rotation was not working. So the issue, if you are able to find, it's really good. First, let me switch it on so it will, turn on my Unreal Engine. So the issue was our this code, which was in the tech, it was not working fine. And reason is like we have by default, it was off and we will turn it to true and now it should work fine. And I don't think we are using any input, so do we need that? No. I'm not sure though. Okay, so let's check if it is working fine or not. It's booting up. Okay, it is up. So the first thing which I will do, I will, because it's just to check, right? So I'm just putting it here. We'll play it, else the tick won't work. There's one more issue actually which I can see. So there's one more issue which I can see. The location, it was not correct though. So let's fix that too. So to test it, usually what I will do, I will just comment the right one. So we can just solely focus on the location part. So I will just go for the left. And next thing I will draw debug sphere on the top and the bottom. So you Kismet system library debug sphere, and here we need to put context. So get this center, I want to print it to sort left bottom comma, and radius is good. We can go with the default, but the duration actually I do want to print for 1 second at least. So I'll just put some default values, linear color, red, comma, and I want duration to be 0.5 second and thickness to be 5, so it will be visible even if we are far. Red we can use white. Press Ctrl D and we will use top, copy top, and we'll use mid value too, just to check what we are doing wrong. So once this is done, we will go forth, we'll compile our code. Nope, I pressed the wrong button. Just compile it and I will verify if it is working fine or not. Okay, passed. If we will run, the radius is quite big, so we will change that. I think it was here, and the radius we will put it to 10. Or maybe 15 will work. Okay. Save, go back, compile. Okay, let's try. Okay, so this thing is correct. So the only issue which I can think of is the location. The location is not correct. Everything seems correct to me. What I will do, I will just remove this code. We'll fix that later. Actually, I just found out one more issue. So if you remember, these we do have two swords right now, and one is blue and one is red, if I'm not wrong. So for that, what we will do, we'll have the two variant of this trail, and so Control D, trail red, and we will put this trail blue, and we will have the two variant of this. So just right click, I will just delete this one. The right click, create the instance of it, so mi underscore trail blue. this one we will change its color and we will turn it to blue. RGB will blue. Perfect. Press OK. Just save. Now in blue, what we'll do in the material section, I will choose trail blue. And by default, it was red. So we'll specify with red. Okay. Now if we'll go to the pawn, here it's the right one, and in right we see it was blue, right? So here we will select the trail blue, and here we'll select the trail red. Trail blue and trail red. Perfect. So if I will test it in my Oculus, let's see how is it looking. Okay, I hope my voice is audible. Let me try. So the everything was fine, and just give me a second. Let me delete this now. We don't need it. Only I do think we have to change the lifetime. So instead of point, we will use 0.5. So it will be more visible to the eye. Let me try one more time. Give me a second. It's kind of difficult to test it again and again. I'm not sure though. Okay. So I think we will keep it till here. Like I just wanted to fix that bug which we got in the previous tutorial. So it was the small tutorial, and I hope you learned everything up how we can do that. So in the next tutorial, what we will do, we will add the scoring system in 3D. Like if you will go to the Beat Saber, give me a second, let me show you how it looks like. So in 3D, we will create these things. So we have three types, right? Like this is the combo, and this is the multiply, and this is the total score. So this will calculate in the next tutorial. So thank you. Have a nice day. Actually, I got the idea. Like, in the left, if you saw, in the red side it was working fine, but in the blue side, the right one, the location, the offset was not coming. So I do think it's because of the vector. So this is from bottom to top vector, like it is going from, down to up, and here it should be opposite. So what I will do, I will just replace this. I will just bottom minus sort top, and we will test it again. Give me a second. Compile and pawn. It's blue and it's red. Okay, so what I will do, I will just remove the red because the red was totally fine. I will just drag drop it. If I will play and test. See, now it's working fine. Okay. That solves the issue. So now we can officially wrap up this. I hope you learned something up. If you have some doubt, just comment it below and I will try my best to solve that out as soon as possible. Thank you and have a nice day. And I would request you guys, to try on your own, like how we can integrate that score system in 3D, and then we can follow the tutorial along. Thank you and have a nice day.